Well, I ordered these online from my favorite place, and they arrived today, so I'm going to go put them in and show you how easy it is to change the look of your can lights. All right, so right there is where I'm going to put these new the light covers on. You can see right where the extensions fit in. There's one on each side, that little C-shaped bracket right there. So let me show you what goes in those positions, and that's what holds the lens up and in there. All right, so here it is in the packaging. I got to take it out, but these two clips right here, these springs, you fold those up and stick them into that C bracket, and that actually sucks the lens up against your drywall. So let me get it out, and then I'll get up there and I'll show you what I mean. Right there is what the old one looks like. I had to change a light bulb, or I was gonna change a light bulb, and the plastic portion of the ring broke, which isn't that bad considering it's like 25 years old. So they don't last forever. All right, I'm trying to do this one-handed, but basically what you do is you twist these up like this and then slip them into that C clip on both sides. Here's the other one. So they're on both sides, and you just slide those up in there. So let me do that. I can't do it with one hand, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, there's what it looks like when they're in the C clips. They just go right up in there. So bend them from the ends where you have more leverage on it. And then once you get them in like that, you can just push them on up, and look at how nice that looks. That is literally like 5 seconds worth of work to totally change the look of your bathroom. Maybe not totally, but it'll help. All right, so there you go. So how to replace the lens in your can light. So hopefully this helped you out. If you like it, please share, please subscribe. Do all those things and help me out. And like always, I'll put a link in the description for this item through Amazon. And as always, if you purchase that, it'll help me buy a couple dog treats for Mitzi. So thanks a lot and have a great day.